Hello and welcome to this Reliable Controls RC-Webview training video. In this video, you'll learn how to use special events in an existing enterprise schedule. You can create a special event by switching the enterprise schedule to Edit mode, clicking on the Edit Event Details option, and selecting Special Event from the Event Type box. Under the event type is the title box. Name the event to make it easy to identify. The repeat box allows you to set up how you would like to schedule the event. A single event is a one-off event. You can set hours for a single event by clicking and dragging on the day, or create a single event using the From and To time boxes. A single event can span multiple days without end. Date range allows you to create an event that takes place at the same time for the same duration over multiple days in a date range. When created, the calendar displays the event. Daily allows you to create an event repeated daily at the selected time for the desired duration. Create a daily event by clicking and dragging in the calendar to set the hours of the event and name the event. Scheduling the daily event for every day. Weekly allows you to select specific days of the week for the event to take place. Once chosen, the event will be set to repeat on the selected days every week. Click and drag to create the event and set the hours. Click on each day you want the event to apply. By switching to Summary View, we can see the operation of each schedule in the enterprise. Summary View shows how the various events on the schedule will function together. Monthly allows you to set the event to repeat on the same date each month for the same duration. Click and drag the event hours and put the event name. The monthly event will be set for the same date each month for the course of the event. Yearly allows you to set the event to repeat on the same date each year. This is useful for holidays on the same date each year. Drag the hours to create a yearly event and add a name. The yearly event can be reviewed by selecting Summary View, changing the view to month, and scrolling through the years. When setting a weekly, monthly, or yearly event, you can set a termination date by clicking the box here and selecting the end date for the event's recurrence. The start and end times are the same as other schedules. When setting up a special event in enterprise schedules, you have a priority option between normal and high priority. Assign the priority to follow the correct event if you scheduled more than one event simultaneously. Enterprise schedules have an inbuilt priority system to follow the correct event if you schedule multiple events simultaneously with the same priority. The schedule closest to the controlled device will have preference. As you move down the levels in the enterprise schedule tree, you are typically moving closer to the controlled device. When two special events overlap, the special event at the lowest level will win. We have a special event at the top level of the enterprise schedule with a value of on. We are creating a special event at the same time in a schedule lower down the enterprise schedule tree and setting the same priority in both. The schedule will follow the special event in the lowest branch of the schedule tree. In this case, the schedule is the Captain's Ready Room. By looking at the summary view of the Captain's Ready Room schedule, we can see the enterprise schedule is following the off event. By changing the priority of the top level event to high priority, the enterprise schedule follows the higher priority event. In this case, the summary view of the Captain's Ready Room schedule shows the on event. If both special events are set to high priority, then the special event in the schedule closest to the device wins. The Captain's Ready Room schedule summary shows the off-value special event from the Captain's Ready Room schedule. You can set the event to have a value of on or off in the value box. Use reason for the audit log. If requested, add a reason for the creation of the special event. As with the default event, you can choose which schedule you would like the event to apply. When you look at the schedule, you can see the various events displayed, but you can only see events that apply to the currently viewed schedule level. By selecting the top level, you can see events involving the top level schedule, which are blue. Edit View displays overlapping events stacked in the order of their rank, based on their priority setting and where in the schedule tree you created the event. An effortless way to see which event has the highest priority. As we descend through the schedule levels, each schedule will display the events that apply to that schedule in the corresponding colors of the schedule level. For example, events in the Captain's Ready Room schedule at the bottom schedule level will display events that apply to it from each of the above levels of schedules. And these events will have the same color as the level of schedule tree they were created in. When you have completed your changes, click on Create to create the event. You can expand or compress the Edit Event Details and Schedule View trees by clicking on the boxes. You can expand the schedule view by clicking on the icon to close and open the schedule tree. You can right-click and select Delete if you need to delete an event. RC-Webview may ask if you would like to delete a single event or all of the events in a series. Pay attention to this so you don't accidentally delete more than you want. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you found this video helpful by clicking the thumbs up. You can send additional comments if you like. Close the feedback window to return here and to launch the next video.